Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. So last night I did a video of blah 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 and showing you some of the joy of cleaning dishes. So here I will show you. This is something really relax you and makes me happy. So now you can take a look. Here is my glove. Okay, here is the glove. And when it is dry, it's very easy to put in your hands and very comfortable. And I think there might be some silicone inside. And just let me zoom in. And it's like skin feel. Very thin layer and quite strong. It lasts a couple of months, not too long, but good enough, right? And it's like your second skin. Quite comfortable. I sometimes, if I got something burned, I need to use this scratch, right? Let's do it. And also, I want to show you something. I buy this from Sur la Table. When I went to France, they use this kind of sponge. I like it very much. Another kind of sponge is this. I remember when I was in Beijing, and there are in a supermarket there are all kinds of sponges, and there was one old lady. She was hesitating in front of it, this and that, this and that. There was a shop assistant came to help her. So, can I help you to make a decision? And she said, well, this is good, that is good. And then the shop assistant recommended her a different kind, and she looked at this one and said, you know, this one is very easy to rinse. Sometimes it's important to get it easy to rinse. 这个好投，那个不好投. And that's so touched to my heart. This must be the person that really use things to make such a wise decision depending on her usage. So I like this because it's not it does not hurt the surface when I wash plastic. I have some plastic bottle, something like this. When I wash plastic, when I wash glass, I use this kind. And some dirty stuff, solid dirty stuff, I wash this kind. And okay, I have my detergent and put into a pretty bottle. I like it. I like to put it into a special bottle, all transparent and clean. Maybe that's too rough, the noise. Okay, we will use this one. See if we can. Isn't it good? Yeah, it's clean and shiny. And I cut this one in half because a full piece, a full piece is just too heavy, too bulky. I continue to wash. I do not need water now. It's clean now. And so all good. I take it off. If there is some water, it's very difficult to put my hands in, and I will intentionally put some water so my hand cannot get in. It's very difficult and cannot get out. Very difficult. I will show you something fun to do here. Then I wash my hand with foam. With foam. Okay, we play around with this glove. Okay. Yee. My hands need to be dried a little bit more. My hand is dry. Shoo. Wrong finger. Shoo. So comfortable. Very, very comfortable, like second skin. And this is for cleaning up table. So smooth.